Ready to sail back in time with some Viking trivia? Let's go. Vikings weren't just about raiding and pillaging. They were skilled traders, explorers, and settlers. Did you know they established trade routes all the way to the Middle East and North America? These Norse navigators were also master shipbuilders. Their longships were fast, flexible, and could navigate both open seas and shallow rivers. This made their travels and raids super effective. And here's a twist. Vikings had their own form of democracy. They held local assemblies called things where free men could voice their opinions and make decisions on laws and disputes. Talk about early community engagement. When it comes to food, Vikings had a diverse diet. They ate grains, vegetables, fish, and dairy, not just meat. They were also pros at preserving food through drying, smoking, and fermenting. Finally, Viking culture was rich in mythology. With gods like Odin, Thor, and Freyja, their stories of creation, heroism, and the afterlife were epic and passed down through generations. So, next time you think of Vikings, remember they were way more than just raiders.